it's me Ashley and welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a great day. Today guys, I have got for you a Superdrug haul. I've got 2 boxes to go through. So yes, I've got 2 big boxes of Superdrug goodies to go through. Jake is joining us. He's being antisocial though and facing the other way. Right, yes, I've got 2 boxes. I've got a smaller one and which is quite heavy. You just yawn. And then I've got a bigger one, which I did actually open because this one came first on its own and it felt a lot lighter, so I had to check what it was. Plus, I had a feeling I knew what one of the items inside it was and I wanted to open it straight away. So as ever, I'm just going to go through the box, open it up, show you what I got, tell you a little bit about them. And I do have my trusty tablet here to go through and let you know what the prices and things were. Okay, so it's probably the first time in a while I've spent less than £30 in Superdrug. Wow. Okay, so it's not the most exciting haul. It's a lot of essentials, really, to be honest, mostly. There's a couple of frivolous purchases in here, don't get me wrong. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to talk to you about, and it was the reason that I opened the box. I bought some of their cotton pads. They're 3 packets for £3. I've been trying to be good recently and not use much of these. You know, save the environment, save the planet, save the turtles, man, all that type of stuff. But I'm struggling a little bit with, I bought some off Amazon of the reusable ones, but I'm really struggling with eye makeup remover with them. They're quite stiff and I find that I'm putting more product on them and I'm rubbing harder than I need to, and it's not an enjoyable process. And it's so much easier using cotton pads. I've opened these, I used these last night actually for the first time, and my eyes just felt so much happier for having these. So unfortunately, I am going to keep using the cotton pads maybe for like cleansing and stuff. The other cotton pads, the reusable, I think they're like bamboo actually or something like that. And then I've got the cleansing cloths that kind of come with. I've got some from Primark and I've got some that I've got in a glossy box and look fantastic. But anyway, these are 3 packs for £3 and they are 100 in each, so you get 300 for £3, penny each. And then the other thing that was in that first box was a couple of deodorant. I've run out on deodorant. I think I got this last time. And again, it was on offer, so I picked this up. So these were £1.65 each. I got 2 different flavours. So usually these are £3.65 each, apparently. So I've got the pink blush one and the bright bouquet one. It's deodorant, it's a necessity, isn't it? Okay, so now we're actually moving on to this box, which I haven't opened. So, can I get in? I need a pair of scissors. I thought I could persevere. Just like sheer strength and brute determination. Okay, so we've got another box that's chock full of goodies to go through. So again, I'll show you these ones one by one. This one's definitely so much heavier. Considering this one was the bigger box, I won't bother lifting it back up, but considering that one was the bigger box, it's a lot lighter. Okay, so let's start with the really boring essentials, shall we? To be honest, picked up more of these than I thought I had. Okay, so I picked up some hand wash. Just kind of, it's important to be topped up on that at any time of the year, but this year it's particularly important. I got some Carex ones. I got the moisture one and the just antibacterial one. This one's also antibacterial, but it's got a moisturiser in it. These were £1 each for 250 mils. It's a good brand. I thought it was good. So I completely kind of forgot that I'd popped these in my basket, and then I also bought these. I got some Dove hand wash. I saw these were on offer, I believe. I'll check the price in a minute. They are the Dove Caring Hand Wash Shea Butter and Warm Vanilla. I got one of these a couple of months back and I've been using it in the ensuite bathroom, and Chris mentioned how he really likes the smell of it. Now it's shea butter and warm vanilla, so you know it's right up my street, but the fact that Chris likes it as well, I was like, ooh, I'll have to look and see if they've got some. And they had it on offer. So this was £2.29, but like I say, they were on offer. They were buy one, get one free. So they were both £2.29. Again, 250 mils each, which makes them the same size as the Carex ones. But they smell really nice. I mean, they don't claim to be antibacterial, but if you're washing your hands properly, come on, you should be fine. So yeah, I got 4 hand washes. I thought I'd ordered 2. I think I forgot I ordered these 2. And I saw these and I was like, ooh, and then probably had the idea of I'll cancel them in the basket, but by the time I finished, but hey, always good to stock up, and if the world goes crazy again and we start losing stock of this, at least I've got 4. Okay, next, and it's along those same kind of lines, I bought some 80 handy cleansing wipes with antibacterial stuff in there. Back to work, I think I mentioned this on my going back to work video. This is something I thought I could pop in my bag. They're really useful surface wipes. I think it said, looking online, that they were suitable to like wipe your hands with. Yeah, cleansing wipes, ideal for the family. Each wipe is soft, gentle and cleansing. They are ideal for use in the home, while travelling or on holiday. Antibacterial wipes contain vitamin E, glycerin and effectively cleanse and refresh the skin. So I think it's just something you can use for, it's just useful, isn't it? Yeah, so there's only a couple of other things to go. It was mostly hand wash. Okay then, so 2 of the final 3 things that I have in my basket are some of the Superdrug Layering Lab fragrances, the body mists. I got a couple, was it last month? And I like it. Did I just get one? I think I just got one. And I liked it. It's in my bag. I've been using it. I actually sprayed it on today earlier. So I got 2 more. I think one of them was supposed to be like a knockoff of the Black Opium, which is really, really nice. And I can't remember what the other one was, but basically, anyway, these were on offer. They're £3.99 each, but I got them 2 for £6. I think this is possibly the one that's meant to be the Black Opium dupe. And I think my sister has actually just given me a bottle of this. Well, a half a bottle possibly, so I could try it because I mentioned I liked it, but then I'd seen it on offer, so I got me some. So I'm going to spray it and see what we like, if we like the smell. Straight to my nose. Oh, I quite like that. I wish I had some of the Black Opium left to sniff it with. That sounds weird, doesn't it? No, but that's nice. Okay, and then the other one, and I suppose the idea of the Layering Lab is you can combine them to make your own scent. So I'm going to spray this on the other hand, so I'm not mixing it because I probably spread a lot on that one. Oh, sorry, this one is the Blossom. It's the Fresh Rose and Jasmine. Did I say what that one was? I don't know. Covered my hand. I think I sniffed too close. That's quite nice. Well, I like that actually. Quite delicate. What am I doing? So yeah, I got the Blossom one and the Exotic one. Yeah, those are really nice. Like I say, they're useful to have. They're not crazy heavy. They're quite handbag friendly sizes really. So just something that's useful to have really. Freshen up throughout the day, make yourself feel a little bit better. Okay, and the final item, and I think it might have been on the Star Buys when I ordered, which unfortunately have renewed since then. I got this for £3.95. It should have been £7.99. It's currently on the website for £5.29, so it's a little bit cheaper. It is a L'Oreal Paris Pure Clay Mask. I've had a few of these and I really like them. This one is the Blemish Rescue Mask, which clears and unclogs. It's got 3 pure clays and marine algae in it. Yeah, my face hasn't been so great lately. My skin's been a bit rubbish, and particularly around this area. So I don't know if it's the whole wearing face mask thing. I do have a silk mask now, but yeah, I usually use a visor at work, but I had to wear a face mask all day yesterday because I left my visor at home. And I could feel my skin just didn't feel right when I came home. So anything really to kind of help at the minute. I mean, I've been getting the odd breakout as well around the forehead, but only the odd one there. It's mostly here. So anything that helps. I thought this would help, like I said, Blemish Rescue. And it would be good for a Face Mask Friday, which I know I've been completely neglecting recently. I do apologise. I mean, to be honest, I've neglected this channel a little bit. I've been busy going back into work and things, and it's just... it's an adjustment, you know, and going back, and things can be a little stressful, things can be very tiring, and there's a couple of times this week I've meant to come home and film this video, and I've just been, I remember coming home Tuesday and I kind of just had a cup of tea, I think, yeah, just took Jake out for a walk, got home and I was like, I want my tea now and I just want to chill. Wednesday I was absolutely shattered. I fell asleep on the sofa that day. And then yeah, so this video should have gone up Thursday and it hasn't, so I do apologise. I'm now trying to get it up for the weekend. Hopefully you'll have it this weekend. But yeah, it's been a long week. It's been nice. it's actually been good to kind of get back into a routine, but it's the routine I haven't had to do in a while. I haven't had to walk Jake and get up at 6 o'clock in the morning so I can get him sorted before work. And Chris has been doing it a lot throughout lockdown when I've been kind of working from home and things, but he's been busy in the garden this week. Anyway, you probably don't need to know any of that, and I'm blabbing on, but that was the last thing I got from Superdrug, so that's my video. Let me know what you think of what I've got. Let me know if you've got any of those things, what you think. Let me know if you want to hear about any of them. I will definitely be putting a Face Mask Friday on. You probably already heard about the sprays, and then there's probably nothing else that's really that exciting to hear about unless you want me to do a hand wash video. So guys, if you've liked this video, then please do me a favour and hit that like button and give me a huge thumbs up. And if you do, God bless you. And if you haven't already, it'd be fab if you could subscribe. I do videos like this all the time, as often as I can. I try to upload Tuesdays, Thursdays and Fridays. Fridays being Face Mask Friday. I have been rubbish at that lately. I do apologise. I am hoping to kind of get back into a routine now that I'm back at work and, you know, things are a little bit more normal. So this week coming, hopefully I should have a Revolution haul and a Look Fantastic unboxing. I Look Fantastic here this morning while I was in the shower, so I missed that. So I'm hoping I can pick it up from the post office in the morning. If not, the post office only opens while I'm kind of at work, which is really fun. So that's that, and then hopefully I'll get a Face Mask Friday. I might even do that mask as a Face Mask Friday this week, because like I said, I feel like my skin could do with something. Anyway guys, I probably blabbed on and took up your time long enough. If you watched all the way through this video, thanks so much guys. Take care, and I will see you again very soon. Bye bye. You want to say bye, Jake? Do you want to say goodbye? Look. I said bye bye. No. You think I'm daft, don't you? You think I'm daft? Yes you do. Bye guys.